Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to log into your BitCrypto account. In order to log into your BitCrypto account, first you'll need to open browser of your choice. Here I will be using Google Chrome. In the search bar, you'll need to type in bit.com and click enter. You will be directed to the home page of BitCrypto. From here on the very top you can see two options that says login and sign off. You'll have to tap in the first option that says login. Here you'll be asked to enter your email address and password. You can also log in with your phone number and your sub account. Here we will be logging in with email address. So in the first box you'll have to type in your email address. Make sure to type in your email address that you have first created your Bit account with. After you type in your email address, you'll have to type in your password. After you type in your email and password correctly, you'll have to click on login option. After you click on login option, you'll be successfully logged in into your BitCrypto account. This was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to log in to your BitCrypto account. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.